Hello guys, we are back with unboxing perfumes. Bleu Chanel for men and Gabrielle Chanel for women. Competitor of Bleu Chanel is Dior Sauvage, which is really interesting for men. We bought them from Meyer Chadstone. I installed Meyer One app to get discount and some scores for the next purchase. Price of Bleu Chanel was 250 bucks. I'm really obsessed with its perfume and use it every day. I really like its magnetic design, which is so cool. It's 100 ml one, but I guess I like 50 ml one. Look how cool is that. Let's go for Gabrielle Chanel for women. You don't see it in this video, but my partner can't tolerate to try her gift. Price of Gabrielle Chanel was 150 bucks. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and see you on next video. Thank you very much for supporting our channel.